every stock, every bond, every currency, every commodity, every piece of art, every bottle of fine wine, every collectible car, every piece of real estate, every private business, everything of value in the world will eventually be a token. This adoption of technology, this evolution, it's not a revolution, it's an evolution of technology, that everything of value will be a token on a blockchain. It's literally a line item on a public ledger. Everything of value will be that. And every transaction of value will happen in digital assets. We don't need the pieces of paper. Wipe out all of DTCC, which processes $1.8 quadrillion a year. That is a large number. So that will all move to digital. And when it does, it will create massive wealth, the greatest wealth creation opportunity I'm going to see in my lifetime.
So this man's saying that he don't got to use no credit card or nothing to pay for this water right here.
Oh, I didn't know if you need help or anything. Bye.
Oh, I got my, okay, thank you. Whoa, wait a minute.
Barcode accepted. Select payment type. Barcode accepted.
What barcode? Hold on. Wait a minute. So this man's saying that he don't got to use no credit card or nothing to pay for this water right here.
Oh, I didn't know if you need help or anything. Bye.
Oh, I got my, okay, thank you. Whoa, wait a minute.
Barcode accepted. Select payment type. Barcode accepted.
What barcode? Hold on.